at a pasta-themed theme park. Okay, not entirely, but we are at DelGrosso Amusement Park located here in Tipton, Pennsylvania. This park is owned by the DelGrosso company, and I don't know if it's just me, but it does smell a lot like pasta sauce around here. But I'm super excited to check out DelGrosso for the first time. I've never been here before, so you guys are going to experience the park for the first time like I am. So come along, let's go check out this park. This is the one entrance to the park. I think it's so pretty with this fountain, and I love this little walkway that you go through. So here's where you can get admission. So the nice thing about DelGrosso is similar to the park we were just at, Knoebels. It's a free park to get into, but you can get all day fun passes, or you can just pay by the ride that you do, which I think is really neat. So here we're visiting in 2023, but here are some of the prices for the all day fun passes. And you can also get individual ride tickets for, it looks like $1 each. Right now we're just gonna walk through and take a tour of the park, but it's good to know if you're visiting. All right, we are in DelGrosso now. It looks so cute. It's almost like this little town. This is my theme park dream. I love pasta, so this is perfect. You hear the Italian music in the background, but look at all these places. We got pasta fresca, directions here of where we can go. There's a ton of food places, and they even have a water park. I think it's Laguna Waterworks. But look at all this. Pizza Famosa. Oh man, we might have to try something out over here. It was also a super scenic drive to get here. As you can see, we're kind of in this valley. Look at all the pretty trees over there. So it is a beautiful drive getting into DelGrosso, but I was curious what their gift shop has. So let's go see what they have. They have a lot of fun hats. They also have a ton of stuffed animals and like plushies. So it's kind of your typical theme park stuff. They also have a lot of things for the water park if you needed a swimsuit or if you wanted a tank top. They have a lot of those. Oh my gosh, look at the balsamic salad dressing. Oh, here's all the pasta sauces. Oh, we've got some vodka sauce. Ooh, pepperoni flavored extra tomatoes. Look at that. Of course you'd have to have pasta sauce at the DelGrosso Amusement Park. That's super fun though. I can't ever say that I've been to a theme park that sells pasta sauce, so this is definitely the first, but let's walk around and see what else we can see. It is good to note too that DelGrosso is completely cashless. It seems like a lot of theme parks are doing that these days, so just know that coming into your day. Here's the map of DelGrosso. It's actually a little bit bigger than I thought it was, but we came in down here at the entrance and we are right around this area right here where the map is at. But look, there's a whole like lazy river, there's a little pool here, there's water slides, and then up here we haven't even gotten to all of the rides yet. It looks like there's some pavilions too that you can have a little picnic. Look at that, they've got a tilt-a-whirl, we've got a crazy mouse. Oh, they even have a train. Oh my goodness, so we've got a lot of rides here that we can check out. Oh, and a wave pool. I did want to check out some of the food and show you guys the menus to start off with. Look, we've got strombolis. Oh, buffalo chicken stromboli. Look at all the different pizzas you can get. I bet these pizzas are so good. Here we even have some cheesesteaks delicioso. Let's see what we got. We got Philly cheesesteak, and we've got DelGrosso cheesesteak, which is New York style pizza sauce, pepperoni, sauté with peppers and onions, and provolone cheese. Oh my gosh, look at all that. Now this is really the place that I am interested in. This is pasta fresca. Let's go see what kind of food they have here. I love the buildings and everything, it's so cute. They have a create your own pasta fresca dish. It's $8.50, so you can choose the type of pasta that you want. Oh, the type of sauce if you want mac and cheese. Look at all that. Then you can choose any vegetables you want in it, meat, and you can add some rolls. Oh, cannoli chips. Oh my gosh, those sound amazing. Look at that. I am so sad. Unfortunately, they're out of cannoli chips here at Pasta Fresca, but all the more reason to come back on a future visit. So next time we're gonna have to do some eating. We are making our way over to more of the water park area, but they do have locker rentals and of course some showers. Let me show you. The standard lockers are $8, large lockers are $10, and jumbo lockers are $12. Another thing I do not think you guys are prepared for, because I certainly wasn't, look at one of their water fountain things in the lazy river here. It's the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Are you kidding me? This is hilarious and also so well done. I love that they put that in there. That is so funny to me. Isn't that so clever? I did just try to walk into the water park. You do have to have a wristband in order to get in, but I did want to just show some of the slides here real quick. So they do have two big water slides, and then of course they have the lazy river and everything here with the Leaning Tower of Pisa. That is so funny still. Here's another view of the water park area, so you can see the slides a little bit more. On the other side I think is where the wave pool is at too. but there's of course the lazy river. Looks like there's a grill Americano, but we're going up this little bridge here to get over to where the rides are. I'm hoping we can still get into the rides even though we don't have a ride pass. We'll just have to see. We'll show you as much as we can, but this is just a little quick trip here to DelGrosso, and hopefully we can come back for a future visit to really check out all that it has to offer. Oh look, here is the wave pool. Look at this here. Oh my gosh. Look at the like mural that they have on the back of it. How fun is that? So the wave pool's gonna be going off soon. You can rent cabanas too, so if you want a cabana for the day. This is another good view of the little town area when you first walk in. Look at the buildings, they're so cute. But also look at the view. We're like in this nice little valley. It's super pretty and very scenic here, I love it. As we're making our way to the rides over the little bridge, we also see another part of the water park. Look at this little splash zone area. It's got one of those huge buckets that dumps on you. Also in the distance you can see the parking lot too, so you actually park in grass, which is pretty unique. But look at all this. So this is the water park portion of DelGrosso, and then right across the road is where all of the rides are at. So we'll go ahead and make our way over to the rides. Making our way into where all the rides are. Look at this wacky worm ride. It does look like a lot of their rides are more like carnival or fair style rides. Nonetheless, those are always super fun, so look how cute this one is. We'll see what other ones they have. I know some of my favorites are little carnival rides, so some of those might be here at DelGrosso. Another thing they're having this year is their Italian Food and Heritage Festival. Are you kidding me? So on September 17th from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. Look at that. That looks like it would be amazing to check out. Looks like we're front and center. Look, they have another opening area to the park. Another place that I think would be a perfect photo opportunity to remember your day by, but DelGrosso's Amusement Park in Tipton, PA. How fun is that? Look, we've got some other food options over here. A lot of the other rides. I think that's the Scrambler over there. And then to the right, looks like we have the Kids Kingdom. Look how cute. We've got little kiddie rides going on, a little carousel. Let's see what these bears are though. It does look like Buddy Bear is our mascot here at DelGrosso Amusement Park, but if you're looking to see what rides you can ride or what rides your kiddos can ride, you can measure them over here. Look at the little characters or the little ways they categorize the heights. You've got Seedling, Junior Vine, Ripe and Ridey. That's so cute. Look at them. Look at the bears too. Murph's Kitchen here. We've got some famous sandwiches and legendary sides. Let's see what is on the menu. This has to be good. So first I see, oh, we've got our typical like hamburgers. Oh, we've got a steak sandwich, meatball sandwich, Italian sausage. Oh, look at that. A Sloppy Joe. I don't think I've ever seen a Sloppy Joe at a theme park before. But look at all these options. We've got, ooh, famous potato salad, Sloppy Joe fries, regular fries. I don't know. So far, guys, what would you eat here at DelGrosso? And a park isn't complete without some games. So, of course, whenever you come here to DelGrosso, you can check out some carnival type games. You'd have to get a little AC break and also check out what this gift shop has to offer. We've got a lot of shirts and stuff, but look, I still can't get over all the pasta sauce. Look at all we've got here. I think that is so funny. Look at this apron too. Peace, love, and pasta. And look at all the fun mugs. They actually have some pretty fun merch here. Oh, look at the little plushies. This must be Buddy Bear. Look how cute. I'm just telling you now, if I were to get a shirt from here, it would 100% be this one. Look at the little front, but stay tuned for the back. We've got the Peace, Love, and Pasta. Are you kidding me? That's amazing. And we've also got some, ooh, cotton candy and snow cones and candy apples. Look at some of the rides though, guys. This is so fun. We've got a carousel. Oh, the Tilt-A-Whirl is always a favorite of mine. Look at all these rides though. And then, like I keep saying, I can't get over the views. I just think it's really neatly placed where the park is at. And also, it has to be beautiful during the fall. Can you imagine all the leaves changed in their fall colors? Oh, it would be beautiful here. I will say though, it is a super hot day in PA. It would be so nice to go in that water park right now. The Crazy Mouse here is probably one of the bigger coasters at DelGrosso. But I'm so glad they have one. I know that the Wild Mouse, the Crazy Mouse, it's always a fan favorite and just a good go-to ride. So if I were to ride, this is probably one of the ones that I would most likely do. I love these rides. I think they're so fun. And look at the views you get too whenever you're riding. Just noticing it now, but this park has my seal of approval. It's got Dippin' Dots. Any park that's got Dippin' Dots is a favorite park of mine. Over here we have more games that you can play. You can win stuffed animals. Looks like we have the Tipton Creek Deli. They've got some hoagies. Oh, is it pretzels over there they also have? Here at Tipton Creek Deli, look at these sandwiches. These hoagies look so good. Man, DelGrosso is not skimping out on the food here. If anything, you could just come to eat. I'm telling you what. They also have a little train here. We've got the Tipton Creek Railroad. Let's go in here and just see what it looks like. I think it's just a little train that takes you around. But look how fun that is. How cute. Here we got it. It's over here. And there it goes. So I think the train just goes around. We'll have to look at the map again. But it looks like the train just takes a little loop. I'm not sure how far back in the park it goes. But I always love train rides. They're always so fun at any park you go to. This area should be known as Spinny Ride Central. Look at all of these rides. I don't know if I could do these anymore, but let me know if they are a favorite of yours. Looks like we do have bumper cars too. I used to be able to do that one, but I don't know about that anymore. Here's a look at the pavilions too. So even if you were to just come and spend the day, you could bring your own food or you could have a party here. Look at all of the little pavilions that they have. I think that's perfect. You could definitely spend a day here, enjoy some rides, but also picnic with some family members. We are making our way into the Kids Kingdom. I will say this dragon ride was always a favorite of mine whenever we would go to carnivals when we were younger. That and the Wacky Worm type rides. But let me know if you guys have ever had any favorite carnival rides growing up. But look at all these. Is it perfect for kids? You come with your kiddos and check it out for an afternoon. Well, I will say I thoroughly enjoyed my visit here to DelGrosso Park. Even though we didn't do any rides or really eat that much, it was so fun to walk through and just see what this park is like. I think if you are a family with young kids, this is the perfect park to come to. There are great kiddie rides, and nonetheless, even if you just come to eat, it looks like the food does not disappoint. Also, the vibes are so cool. I love the atmosphere, all of the music. Really, it feels like if you've ever been to Epcot before, it just feels like a giant Italy Epcot pavilion, which for that reason I absolutely love. But I'm so excited to hopefully come back here to DelGrosso. I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough, and let me know if you've ever been to DelGrosso's Amusement Park or if you consider visiting in the future. Let me know what you think. But thank you so much for walking through and experiencing this park first time with me. With that, we'll see you guys in the next video. See you guys.